Hello, I'm Julie Tupler and I'd like to introduce you to the TogetherTape. This tape is used to help heal a diastasis recti. It is used in conjunction with the Diastasis Rehab Splint to help the healing process go faster. If for some reason you cannot wear the Diastasis Rehab Splint, you can use the tape on its own. Like a butterfly Band-Aid, this tape works to bring the connective tissue and muscles closer together. When you apply the tape on the skin, you stretch it first, and what happens is the tape then wants to recoil to its original unstretched position. This continuous recoiling process is a communication from the skin to the connective tissue and muscles to move in the direction of the tape. The skin on your belly is very sensitive. Therefore, I recommend when doing the Tupler Technique program not to use it for the first 4 weeks. Instead, for the first 4 weeks, prepare the skin with our corrective connective tissue cream. Because of this sensitivity, we start out slow with the tape, meaning we're going to be using one above and one below. If you have any allergic reactions, stop using the tape right away, wait a week, use that corrective connective tissue cream again, and then start again. The skin should be desensitized and it should be okay to start up again. So in week 1, we'll be doing one above, one below. If all goes well, in week 2, we'll be using 2 above and 2 below. And if all goes well, then we'll be using 3 above and 3 below. And then you'll continue to be using 3 above and 3 below until you finish using the tape. The tape usually lasts on your skin about 4 to 6 days. In between applications, you'll want to let the skin rest for a day. During that time, again, use that corrective connective tissue cream on your skin. The tape is water resistant, but not waterproof, so when you shower, make sure you don't get it too wet. So now I'm going to show you how to put it on. Take this piece of paper off, this paper backing off the middle, hold on to each end. Now 1/4 inch above the belly button, you'll want to stretch it just a little. You're going to be applying it. I want to stretch it just a little bit and place it on my skin. Smooth it over with your hand, then take off each end of paper, here on each end. Now when I say to stretch it a little, that's very important. So when we're stretching it just a little, like this, that's all you need to do. If you stretch it too much, then it makes that recoiling process much harsher on your skin. So we're going to be doing another one 1/4 inch below your belly button. Remember, stretch it just a little bit and apply it to the skin. In week 1, we have 1 above and 1 below. In week 2, we have 2 above and 2 below. And in week 3, we'll then have 3 above and 3 below. The tape comes in 3 sizes. You have small, medium, and large. And the size depends upon the size of your diastasis. So a small is up to a 4-finger diastasis, or 6 centimeters if you're using our diastometer to measure in centimeters. The medium is a 4 to 6 finger diastasis, or 6 to 8 centimeters. And the large is 7 fingers or 9 centimeters and above. The size is determined by wherever the diastasis is the biggest. For example, if I had a 4-finger up here and a 5 at my belly button, a 4 down here, then I would have to go with whatever size the 5 was, which in this case, a 5 is a medium. There are 30 little pieces of tape in the box. So the first time you use it, it'll last for 6 weeks, and then any box thereafter, it will last for 5 weeks. I'm hoping that this presentation was helpful. And if you have any question about using our TogetherTape, please email us. Thank you.